Well, and that's one of the things Sylvia and I have had a conversation about too, is this notion that as we have gotten better and better in talking about death and dying, and there are many, many, many books about it now. I mean, I have to say that when I started writing my book and writing stories in the late 90s, there were maybe half a dozen other books in the death and dying sections in bookstores. Now, those sections are huge. There's many, many, many books, not just Elizabeth Kubler-Ross and Stephen Levine and a few others. But now we have this challenge that we've talked about where, yes, we're talking about death, but is there a right way that we have to do death now? You know, there are books called The Good Death. There's a book called Dying Well. So now we're like under this pressure that, well, okay, now not only is it going to happen, we have to do it the right way, we have to do it well. You know, we're going to get in trouble if we don't. I mean, you know, when Tori, what are you going to say?
Oh, the story about what are you going to say? You know, that in the there was a woman Zen teacher who died in the last 5 years. Wasn't a close friend of mine, but I knew about her. And people got to be talking about the circumstances of her death. She was an older woman, so it wasn't shocking that she died. But in the Zen tradition particularly, you're supposed to save your pithiest understanding for your last breath. You know, as a Jew, if I can manage it, I'll say Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. But how do I know I'm not going to have another breath after that? Time it, you know. I think it probably counts if you say. You know,
I think it counts. Yeah, you could have several breaths probably after you say.
But so they say that what she said with her final breath was, "Thank you very much. I have no complaints." So it's very noble, you know, what she knew, what she Jewish. But it was such a noble thing. And everybody said, whoa, she said, thank you very much, I have no complaints. So first of all, I thought to myself, that's a great thing to say, but I would like to say that when I'm alive, not wait until the next second. That would be really super cool if I could say I have no complaints.